Hi, today I'm back. I'm doing my tinies. And I have 21s. And I'm using my new unicorn 12-sided die that I got from EMT Dispatcher on a budget. And let's see. 5, 11, 7, 9, oops, 8, 9, 10, 4, and I think this is my last challenge for February. And then I'm gonna try to do my my 1 month ahead binder, I think, on Friday, tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then Saturday. 6, 5, 12, 1, 12, 1, 6, a couple more dollars. Hopefully I get a 2 and a 3. There's the 2. Oops. 5. And I'm going to put the last one on 3. I'm going to cheat. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2. Oops. Okay. So, one is from Mindy's budgeting. I'm still working on Valentine's challenges. It got $2. So, 1, 2. Oops. And then 2 is from Lil's World 733, and it got $1. So it has $6. Oh, come on. I went to town yesterday, which was Monday, or no, what day was it? It was yesterday, and I took the bus. 3 is from Sadie J, Money Boss in the Making, and it got $1. Yeah, so I had a long day yesterday, and when I got back, I was tired. And because I had to go get my prescription, I went to Walmart and to the post office. And it was a lot of getting on and off the bus. 4 is my little doggy, my husky. And it got 1. Oops. And 5 is it's not too late. And it got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. I don't like taking the bus because, well, yesterday, because it was warm yesterday, it was like 60, I think 62. And like all week we're supposed to be warmer, and like these guys kept trying to hit on me. Like, they're like, are you married? Do you have a boyfriend? They were being inappropriate, and that's why I don't like taking the bus. 1, 2. Oh, this is Omar Crafts and Budgets. So, yeah, I don't like taking the bus to town. It's okay to take, like, to the post office, but in town there's a lot more people. And I've been single since, like, 2019. Like, it was just me and my dog Nikita until she passed, but, yeah. And I'm a homebody. I don't like going out, especially at night. This one's Mindy's budgeting, and it got $1. Yeah, like I've been on my own pretty much almost the whole time I've lived here. I did one guy here, and it lasted 2 weeks. So yeah, I haven't been with anyone since. And that was like back in 2019. This one's, oh, for me, I got $1. Yeah, so going to town was crazy, yes, the other day. But this one is Gaming Grandma Budgets. Pretty much that's all the exciting stuff that's happened to me all week. $2. 1, 2. And then this one's one of mine. My little reindeer. We're going to finish it today. Got $2. So on this one I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let me put in a new one. Let me see. Where are my Tinies? Because I filled up the other binder. Oh, here. I'll put in another Mindy. So this one's done. And then this one is Let It Be Budgets. And it got 1. It has 5. And then last up is Lil's World 733. And it has 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. has 5. So let me put them back in the binder. And then well, we're going tomorrow to go do laundry again. So, yeah. Oops. 1, 2. And then I'll probably be home the rest of the week. And I usually stay home on the weekends, too. Okay. So that's all the Tinies. And I'm going to just stick this money in my 1 month ahead. And my next video, I'll be doing this. Which will probably be tomorrow. Or Saturday. But I hope you guys are having a great week. And I'll see you in the next video.